The leaves are turning, there's a chill in the air, and you might think gardening season is over, but October is actually the secret start of a new season, perfect for planting cold-loving crops. Today, I'll show you 6 powerhouse vegetables to plant now for winter harvests and a head start next spring. Grab your gloves. Let's turn your fall garden into a productivity machine. First up, garlic. It thrives on winter's chill, which helps each clove split into a big, flavorful head. Planting in fall gives garlic the cold it needs for the best growth. Just break apart a quality head of seed garlic, keep the skins on, and plant the cloves pointy side up, 2 inches deep, 6 inches apart. Over winter, roots develop underground. Even if you see a few green shoots, that's fine. Come spring, growth explodes, and by summer, you'll harvest huge, delicious bulbs. It's the easiest way to get unbeatable garlic flavor. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Next, spinach, the king of cool weather greens. Sow seeds directly in shallow furrows, cover lightly, and water. Spinach loves the cold, producing tender leaves for salads and cooking. Harvest all fall, then mulch or cover with a cold frame for winter. In spring, those same plants bounce back for an early harvest before anything else. 2 harvests, 1 planting. Spinach is a true garden workhorse. It's fast, easy, and keeps on giving. Don't miss out on this comeback king. Kale gets sweeter after a frost. Nature's flavor boost. Sow seeds or plant transplants now. Kale thrives in cool soil. Harvest outer leaves all winter and the plant keeps producing. Even snow won't stop it. Fresh greens when other gardens are empty. Kale is your living winter grocery store. Want big onions? Plant sets in fall. They build strong roots all winter, setting up explosive growth in spring. By the time spring-planted onions are just starting, yours are already ahead. The result? Earlier, bigger, and better bulbs. Fall planting is the secret to onion success. Broad beans, fava beans, do double duty. Delicious beans and better soil. Plant seeds now. They'll sprout before winter and survive with a little mulch. In spring, they're first to flower and produce pods. After harvest, chop plants down and leave roots to enrich your soil with nitrogen. It's a win-win for your garden and your plate. Overwintering carrots become super sweet after frost. Sow seeds in late summer or early fall. Let them grow to snacking size before the ground freezes. Cover with a thick layer of mulch to insulate. All winter, dig up crisp, sweet carrots, nature's candy. Choose cold hardy varieties for best results. There's nothing like pulling a fresh carrot from snowy soil. While most pack up for winter, you're just getting started. Garlic, spinach, kale, onions, broad beans, and carrots, these crops thrive in the cold. With a little planning, your garden stays productive year-round. Which crop are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. For more cold weather gardening tips, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.